Do you know what is branchless banking and how to facilitate financial inclusion along with digital banking products? Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be the first one to receive the notification of our latest videos. Hello and welcome to Bankrate, where millions of people around the world can learn and be aware of banking and finance. So let's get started. Introduction. As with conventionally delivered money services, shoppers' victimization branchless banking services face risks and challenges moreover as advantages. Transformational branchless banking heightens the consumer-related issues of regulators and supervisors. As a result of it combines the employment of agents and technology-enabled devices to serve massive numbers of less educated and inexperienced customers, probably in a very short amount of your time. However, even in markets wherever they need to achieve a large scale, the advantages of such innovative models appear to outweigh the risks for shoppers to this point. Shopper protection regulation of this sector ought to conform to principles: proportion and effectiveness, financial inclusion, logic and logistics. The government of the Republic of India has been sensible in recognizing the potential within the branchless banking model and is supporting the movement for quite a while currently. In 2006, the banking system was opened to agents as a technique of monetary inclusion. These agents were referred to as business correspondents. Business correspondents bridge the gap between the banking establishments and therefore the unbanked plenty set within the rural areas. They act as representatives of banks and play an important role in promoting money inclusion in the Republic of India. These PCs charge a little commission worth for each shopper onboarding, transactions, or deposits done by them. Though this model was at the start started as a not-for-profit factor, the banks went on to relax the strict norms to incorporate for-profit organizations to widen the horizon of stretch and provide banking services like accretive deposits, permitting withdrawal, grouping loan repayments and checking balance within the remote locations of the country. Financial inclusion is represented because of the methodology of providing banking and money solutions and services to each individual within the society with none sort of discrimination. It primarily aims to incorporate everyone within the society by giving them basic money services while not viewing a person's financial gain or savings. Money inclusion primarily focuses on providing reliable money solutions to the economically unfortunate sections of the society while not having any unfair treatment. It intends to produce money solutions with no signs of difference. It conjointly committed to being clear whereas providing money help with none hidden transactions or prices. Vehicles for financial inclusion. 1. Financial inclusion conjointly intends to own varied establishments that supply cheap money help so there's comfortable competition so purchasers have plenty of choices to settle on from. There are unit ancient banking choices within the market. However, the amount of establishments that supply cheap money merchandise and services is incredibly lowest. 2. Financial inclusion intends to extend awareness concerning the advantages of monetary services among the economically unfortunate sections of society. 3. The method of economic inclusion works towards making financial merchandise that area unit appropriate for the less lucky individuals of the society. 4. Financial inclusion intends to boost money acquirement and money awareness within the nation. 5. Financial inclusion aims to herald digital money solutions for the economically unfortunate individuals of the state. 6. It conjointly intends to herald mobile banking or money services so as to succeed in the poorest individuals living in very remote areas of the country. 7. It aims to produce customized and bespoken money solutions to poor individuals as per their individual money conditions, the house wants preferences, and financial gain levels. 8. There are several governmental agencies and non-governmental organizations that area unit dedicated to transportation in money inclusion. This agency's area unit focused on the access to receiving government-approved documents. Several poor individuals area unit unable to open bank accounts or apply for a loan as they do not have any identity proof. There are unit numerous United Nations those who sleep in rural areas or social group villages who don't have data concerning documents like PAN, Aadhaar, driver's license, or electoral ID. Hence, they cannot avail several of the services offered by governmental or personal establishments, business correspondents/business facilitators, along with the government-owned payment apps. Their area units several personal mobile electronic keys, e-wallet, systems created by personal firms and banks. Most of those apps permit bank fund transfers. Of these e-wallets allow users to form payments digitally in a very convenient manner. People won't bog down any place even though they're out of money in hand. If they need cash in their electronic case, they're safe and might do money transactions with success while not having to have faith in others for cash. Digital banking merchandise for financial inclusion. One of the leading e-wallets in the Republic of India is Paytm. It's on the market on Automaton, BlackBerry, iOS, OV, Windows, etc. A number of the opposite distinguished e-wallet apps embrace FreeCharge, MobiKwik, Citrus Case, Oxygen Case, It's Cash, Axis Bank Lime, JioMoney, ICICI Pockets, HDFC Pays App, SBI Buddy, mRupee, Vodafone M-Pesa, Paymate, PayUmoney, JustPay, EasyTap, City Master Pass, Momo Express, Ola Money, mSwipe. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something valuable today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon to be the first one to get the notification of all the upcoming videos.